How can I improve my vocabulary? What is synonyms and antonyms? Words that have the same, or almost the same, meaning as another word. Example synonym: irate. Synonym: angry. Clever. Synonym: smart. What is antonyms? Antonyms are words that have the opposite meaning of another word. Example antonym: day. Antonym: night. Fat. Antonym: thin. Antonym: build. Antonym: destroy. Busy. Antonym: lazy. Buy. Antonym: sell. Calm. Antonym: excited. Cloudy. Antonym: clear. Antonym: hot. Come. Antonym: go. Comedy. Antonym: drama. Free. Antonym: arrest. Happy. Antonym: sad. Handsome. Antonym: ugly. Increase. Antonym: reduce. Innocent. Antonym: guilty. Outside. Antonym: inside. Compliment. Antonym: insult. Intelligent. Antonym: silly. Intentional. Antonym: accidental.